Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Grammy-winning roots reggae band Morgan Heritage celebrates 2 decades in music with the re-release of their Family and Friends Volume 1 album. The compilation features the likes of the late Toots Hibbert, reggae artists Jacure and Capleton. Family and Friends Volume 1 also boasts a bonus track of the band's live performance in Milan, Italy. The project was produced by Morgan Heritage and their father Denroy Morgan. Morgan Heritage, Family and Friends Volume 1, the 20th edition, was released on October 9. The project is the first from several upcoming Morgan Heritage anniversary releases on the heels of their new partnership with international giants 1RPM. Now, the unruly boss Popcorn has joined forces with Canadian rapper Preem for their collaborative EP Link Up. Preem announced the project to his fans on Instagram a few days ago and immediately released Comfortable, the first track from the compilation. The powerful track also features a cameo from Nigerian singer Davido. All 3 men openly confess their affection for an admirable female. Link Up EP features 6 songs and will be released on Friday. The 2 will also be hosting a live event in honor of the project. The event will see the likes of guests French Montana, Davido, Wiz Khalifa, among others. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.